Good morning guys. So ngayon, celebration ng Valentine's. Actually may treat sa amin today. So ayan, naimbitahan tayo for couples banquet. Tama ba? Banquet. So ayan, banquet or kung ano man siya. So pupuntahan natin. Ito, late na kami. Nag-ulan bigla kasi mag-snowstorm. So alam niyo yung nakakatamad na kumilos. So, pero ayan, magmamaganda muna tayo, mag-aayos muna tayo kahit late na. Okay? Medyo mayayaman o social kasi yung mga kasama natin ngayon. So, required na damit, naka-formal. So, ayoko, hindi kasi ako masyado nagde-dress guys. Ayoko talaga mag-dress. So, ayan, naka-leggings pa rin ako kasi nga umulan ng yelo. Siyempre, kahit na may sasakyan ako at mainit, kailangan ko pa rin magsuot ng pangmalamig. Sinishoot ko na nga ako eh. At gagamitin ko ang aking biniling pabango. Ubus na kasi mga pabango ko. Wala na. Pag may budget tayo, ang target ko naman na perfume, yung parang isang mahaba na set. Burberry brand. So, tignan natin. Sana safe pa siya. Mabilisang make-upan ba ito? Parang hindi pa rin eh. Buti may butas pa yung tenga ko, no? Kasi sa work ko, not allowed lang nakakita. Ayan, para ako may black eye kasi masyado kong kinukusot yung mata ko. Ayan siya, may itim para ako may black eye. Ayan, okay naman. Tapos kunin natin pang shimmer. Okay, balik na tayo. Mag-iinarte pa rin tayo. I think ito na. Pang shimmer lang natin. Kasi ito sa unang gagawin. Para lang kumikinang-kinang yung mukha natin, guys. Yan lang mga effect ng... Ganyan lang ako mag-makeup. Kasi dito sa Canada, guys, as in, mahihiya ka kapag nag-makeup ka ng todo. Alam mo yun? Kasi talaga mahilig lang sila sa pale. Yung mukha plain. As in, mga kaharap mo, hindi mahilig mag-makeup. So, tayo, medyo simple lang. Hindi kasi sila nagme-makeup. Sa atin kasi pagandahan dyan eh. Sa Pinas. Alam ko naman na once na kaya lang dito hindi uso. Mahal din kasi guys ang makeup. Tapos kukulayan lang natin. Susundan lang natin yung microblading natin. Kaya kung may microblading, susundan nyo lang yan. Kasi wala talaga akong kilay, guys. Pero nung na-start na microblading, nag-start nang tumubo yung kilay ko. And I'll choose And I'll choose red color with petroleum. Kasi matte to. So, even liquid siya. Nahaluan ko siya ng siyang petroleum para kahit pa paano oil. Ayan, pwede na tayong umawala. Tapos na to. Ganito lang. So, mukha na ba tayong tao, guys? Ayan. Ayan. Makeup. Ayan. Yung buhok natin, hayaan na natin kulot-kulot talaga tayo. Okay na yan. Tayo yung tao. Okay na yan. Diba? Oh my gosh, ang bango ko. Ito yung napili kong jacket. Kabanghan na rin ako. Para kung amoy mayaman, oh my gosh. Ang bango pala nitong pabango talaga. Okay na. Okay na. Ako okay na. So, bye. So, guys, tara na. Ito lang binitbit ko, phone at saka wallet. So, diba? Ngayon lang ako nagpalda. Diyos ko po. Umulan na naman kasi. Ayun yung black eye ko, halata ba? Kinatpot ko kasi siya. Ayan, umaambon naman siya. Hindi naman yellow. Ngayon, tubig naman ang inuul. Tapos, ayan yung black eye ko. Mali pala yung pagkusot ko sa mata. So, pag kinusot pala yung mata mo, ayan, pwede pala maapektuhan na para kung may black eye. Lumalaki na yung eye bag. Sabi ng asawa ko, laki na ng eye bag. Pero, ano siya, parang kinusot ko kasi. So, yun. Grabe guys, kahit February na dito, ang gulo ng weather. Kumbaga, nag-expect na kami ng araw. Actually, kahapon ang ganda-ganda ng araw or sunny day. And may naiirita ako sa black eye ko. Black eye ang tawag, ayan, kahapon sunny day. Ngayon naman, nag-iisnong. Tas ngayon, umuulan naman ng tubig. Kaya, oh my gosh, ano ba, Canada? Sobrang, late na tayo. Tara na. Late na kami. Ang on-call sa amin is 4:15 na. So, magta-travel po kami ng mga 30 minutes. So, 30 minutes.
Saan tayo?
Ayan. Sa venue. Hindi niya alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, yun na nga guys. On the way tayo. At ito ang ating tinatahak na daan. Sobrang mayelo. Umaambon. So, ayan. Actually, mahirap yung ganito, madulas yung daan. So, makakarating kami doon ng 30 minutes. So, medyo late tayo. Papunta sa venue na pupuntahan nating date with husband.
A few moments later.
Galit muna. Galingan mo. Natatalo tayo.
Matter of fact, skip these. Let's just go the old shoe way. All right, everybody take your right shoe off. Right shoe off. Everybody take your right shoe off. Now say, let's take your right shoe off. And yes, take your right shoe off. And give the wife to the husband to the wife. Okay? Your chairs need to be back to back so you can't see each other.
Kasi yung plate mo rin.
So you can't see each other. Good?
Did you have heavy shoes? Heavy shoes.
Here we go. This is gonna be a Mr. or Mrs., him or her, right? So, here we go. We gotta move real quick because time's gone already, so here we go. Who was the first one to say? Good. So you're gonna raise them with your hand, all right, Ken? You're gonna need it in your hand, okay? Right? Everybody's with me? Who was the first one to say, I love you? Okay? So let's look. Can't put both shoes up, sis. Amen. Who's the first one to say, I love you? Garcia's got 1,000 points. They agree. The Castillos, am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Got 1,000 points. They agree. Nino, who's the first one to say, I love you? Yep, so your wife says so too. It's agreed. Good. Bim and Deza, yep, that's a match, 1,000 points. Nanos are 1,000 points. Everybody's 1,000 points except for Ken, that's your wife's, right? Yes? She says you said I love you first. And you said whatever, you disagree, all right? All right, so everybody got 1,000 except for mom, okay? All right. All right. Are you ready? Here we go. That was a warm-up. That was pretty easy. Here we go. So everybody understands? Okay? So who you think the right answer is, you're putting their shoe up, and we're seeing if it agrees. Who was the first to try to reconcile after a spat or disagreement or a fight? Who's the first one to say, I'm sorry, to get right with each other? All right, whose shoe is this? That's yours? All right, good. And so the Garcias agree, that's 1,000. Which shoe is up? She's still thinking about that one, all right? Andrea and John agree. Sparkly shoes agree over here. Annalyn and Joel, they agree. Back-a-backs are agreed. Nike shoes are agreed. That's Nick and Carissa. Let me see the side of those shoes. They agree, all right, so that is the Adidas. Palms agree. 1,000. If I say they're on, that's 1,000. And
Seems like
Tim,
that's the one.
yeah, they agree. 1,000. Good. So everybody got 1,000. Just make it that. 1,000. Yeah, they're all good. All right, we're gonna get tougher now. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. This is for these 2 rows only. Ready? Who is the funniest? Who is the funniest? Okay, 1,000 here agrees. Mark Garcias. Johnny, quit showing your shoe that you disagree, all right? John thinks he's funny and Andrea thinks he's funny, all right? They disagree. All right, and Raymond is the funny guy in that family, is that right? Yeah, they agree, 1,000. Bim, you're the funny guy in your family, disagrees, 1,000. Nino is the funny fellow in his class, not his class, his home. Amen. That's 1,000. Okay, good. All right, all right, this side, my wife's question, here it was. Who snores the loudest? Who snores the loudest? Who snores the loudest? Back-a-backs agree that it's Kim, I think. Is that right? Is that your shoe? Yeah. Back-a-backs 1,000. Joel, Annalyn say Joel does, it looks like. That's not sparkly shoes. So Joel. Nick has the snoring championship in his family. The Knights are up again. Raquel has the snoring championship in her family. High heels are up. And Salty doesn't wear those. Okay, let's see here. Brother Kenneth says Tess snores loudest. And Tess says Kenneth snores loudest. All right. All right. I agree with you, man. Took a nap on the couch yesterday. I've been doing some work
go there. Just video. Okay, it's for vlogging. Ayun nga.
Are we doing okay? So I just let my wife, and my wife and I will sit in the center. I'm wondering if these chairs up in the way. Are the chairs out of the way okay?
Get one too.
Wait a second, let me take this one out. All right, on the count of three. Remember? So our theme is "You Are My Sunshine," but let's make it our statement instead, our decision. Already? I'll be your sunshine. Count of three. 1, 2, 3. I'll be your sunshine.
I got you guys. Awesome.
Excellent, thank you.
We got
All right,
three,
ladies,
ayan.
Geraldine, come to your seat now.
Daddy.
Good.
Yung games.
All right.
So guys, ayan ang una nating main course. Ayan si husband. Ako.
We do the
Jo,
beauty hunt
paano yung
somewhere
pang
through the
social?
course of the year.
Jo,
We always find.
paano humawak ng social? Paano humawak ng social? Ayan, tax, tinuturuan tayo. Mhm.
But if you do happen to find another one that's not accounted for, all you have to do is let me know, okay? So it's gonna be a bonus.
So guys, ito naman yung dessert natin. I choose apple and si husband ay blueberry.